I'm going to say something that the trillion-dollar health industry never wants you to hear. As an orthopedic perspective, walking after 60 is simply not enough. Companies push the idea that walking is the gold standard because it keeps you buying orthotics, trackers, and gadgets. But here is the silent truth. Walking leaves nearly 40% of the muscles responsible for your balance and joint protection completely untrained. After 60, leg weakness is driven by a condition called sarcopenia. This is the fast, silent loss of muscle that happens when your legs no longer face enough resistance. Walking keeps you moving, but it does not force your muscles to push, hold, or stabilize against gravity. A 2022 Harvard Medical School study showed that resistance-based exercises increased bone density by 19%, while walking showed almost no effect. If you want to stop the tremble when you stand up, you need to target the fibers walking ignores. Stay with me, because you're about to learn 3 simple exercises research shows can restore leg strength in just 21 days. Before we begin, comment your age and where you're watching from. We read and reply to every comment. Now, let's start with number 3. Number 3. Seated leg extensions. Most people think walking builds the front of the legs, but one of the first muscles to wither after 60 is the quadriceps. These are your body's shock absorbers. When these weaken, your balance declines and knee pain skyrockets. A 2021 study found that targeted knee extensions improved lower body strength by 32% compared to walking alone. Here is how to do it safely. Sit upright in a sturdy chair with your back supported. Slowly straighten one leg until it is parallel to the ground. At the top, hold for 2 seconds and gently tighten the thigh muscle. Then, lower it slowly over 3 seconds. Avoid swinging. Control is the key. Start with 8 to 10 reps on each leg for 2 sets. Stronger thighs make standing up easier and reduce the strain on your joints. If walking truly rebuilt this strength, why does simply lifting your leg feel so challenging? This exercise is the answer. Number 2. Chair squats. This exercise reveals the truth about your independence. Chair squats train the exact movement pattern needed to stand up and sit down safely, a pattern walking never properly challenges. Many people can walk for 20 minutes, but struggle to rise from a chair without using their hands. That is a clear sign of leg weakness. A 2022 study showed that regular sit-to-stand training improved lower body strength by 34% and slash-fall risk within 12 weeks. To do this correctly, sit on a sturdy chair with feet hip-width apart. Lean slightly forward, press through your heels, and stand up slowly. At the top, squeeze your glutes for 1 second. Then, lower yourself back down over a slow 3-second count. Do not drop into the chair. As you get stronger, pause for 2 seconds halfway down. This increases muscle activation without adding any impact to your joints. Finally, number 1. The single leg stand with chair support. This is the exercise doctors care about most for fall prevention. Your ability to stand on one leg is the strongest predictor of whether you will fall in the future. Walking uses both legs in a predictable forward motion, but most falls happen during weight shifts, like stepping off a curb or turning quickly. A 2023 study found that single-leg training improved stability by 42% in just 8 weeks. To perform this, stand next to a counter or chair for support. Shift your weight to one leg and lift the other foot a few inches. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds while breathing calmly. Switch sides and repeat for 3 rounds. As you improve, try using only your fingertips for balance. This trains your nervous system to stabilize you in real time. These 3 exercises work together to rebuild what walking alone misses: real strength, stable balance, and the confidence to move. Age does not prevent your muscles from improving, inactivity does. Commit to these for the next 21 days and feel the difference. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Timeless Man. Comment below with the exercise you'll start today. This content is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare professional before starting a new routine.